Welcome back to my channel. If you want to 10x your income this year, then you're going to want to stay right until the end of this video, because I'm going to give you an actionable step that if you do, will take your results to a place that you didn't even think was possible. Now let's really focus on the power of visualization. In one of my favorite books called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, he says that the imagination is the most marvelous, miraculous, inconceivably powerful force that the world has ever known. I mean, everything that's been done of some serious significance has been done through our imagination. I mean, you have absolute infinite potential. Now, what you really want to do is you want to write down a description of your life a year from now, the way you really want to be living, the amount of money you really want to be making, the environment you're in, the people you're spending time with, the house you're living in, the partner that you have. Now, you want to write this down in present tense. Now, why do you want to do this? Well, we think in pictures. If I ask you, what does your car look like? An image of your car just flashed onto the screen of your mind. Now, if I ask you, what does your front door look like? An image of your front door just flashed onto the screen of your mind. Now, the pictures in our mind attract our conditions. So when we write down a description of how we want our life to be in present tense, this causes thinking. Writing causes thinking. Thinking causes feelings, and your feelings change your actions and also change what you attract, which in turn will change your results. Now, don't get caught up on how you're going to reach your goal. You don't need to worry about the middle of the jump. You should be focusing on where you're going to land. Now, once you give your subconscious mind a vivid, clear picture of the way you want to live, the way you want your business to be, it's like you just magnetize the how. Now, what are we doing? Let's bring out the stick person. Okay? The top circle is your mind. The top half is your conscious mind. The bottom half is your subconscious mind. And this is your body. Now, when you start writing down a description of your life a year from now, the way you really want to live, you're impressing them thoughts upon the subconscious mind, which is in control of your feelings. Now, your subconscious mind has to accept anything that you impress upon it. So when you get emotionally involved with this beautiful dream that you're writing down on paper, your subconscious mind believes that you're living that dream. Now, your subconscious mind is in control of your vibration. Anything that's going on inside of your subconscious mind has to express itself through the body. Very powerful. Now, Napoleon Hill also says something else in Think and Grow Rich. He says, any idea that you persistently hold in your mind will eventually seek expression through some practical means of attaining it. Why? Because any idea that is impressed upon the subconscious mind has to express itself through the body in our actions. And it also changes what we attract. Now, I don't want you just watching my videos. I am not a motivational speaker. If you do what I tell you to do, you're going to get results. And I'm assuming that's what you want. Do the action step. Write out your life a year from now, exactly how you want it to be. And as you're writing it, get emotionally involved with it. Because emotion is the language of the subconscious mind. Now, as you get emotionally involved with it, your behavior is going to change. Because anything that's going on in the subconscious mind has to express itself through our actions. It's very powerful stuff. Make sure you do this action step. And when you've done it, comment and let me know how you felt. I want you to act like a child with this. You know, you've really got a dream. All great leaders are dreamers. If you do not see big amounts of money in your imagination, you're never going to see big amounts of money in your bank account. Someone once asked Vincent van Gogh, how do you do these magnificent pieces of art? He said, I dream my painting and then I paint my dream. You are so powerful. You've been gifted with an imagination. And it's said that anything that we can imagine, we can create. Now, I think it's about time that you turn what you're thinking about into results. Do the action step, comment, let me know how you got on. And I'm very interactive on YouTube. If you're stuck with this, drop a comment on this video and I can offer you some suggestions. I'm Joel McLeod, and you have a fantastic day.